Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off Vande Bharat Express from Una in Himachal Pradesh to New Delhi. Union Cabinet has approved payment of productivity-linked bonus equivalent to 78 days to railway employees for the financial year 2021-2022. President Draupadi will today flag off from Agartala railway station the special extension of Guwahati-Kolkata-Guwahati train up to Agartala and extension of Agartala-Jiribam-Agartala Jan Shatabdi Express up to Khongsang, Manipur. More than 219 crore 15 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. National Games came to a close with a glittering ceremony at Surat yesterday evening.